Multiply 961 by 3.1 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 9 is 9. The first partial product is 961. Now use the next digit to the left, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Put 8 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 9 plus the carried 1 is 28. The second partial product is 28,830. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 1 plus 0 is 1. In the tens column, 6 plus 3 is 9. In the hundreds column, 9 plus 8 is 17. Put 7 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 8 plus the carried 1 is 9. In the 10,000s column, bring down 2. The product of the whole numbers is 29,791. Count the highlighted digit after each decimal point. The factors have one decimal place altogether, so the product needs one decimal place. Place the decimal point one place from the right. 29,791 becomes 2,979.1. So 961 times 3.1 is 2,979.1.